Healing with baking soda water. Welcome back to Life Well Live, your go-to channel for the latest in health tips and medical information. Today, I'm excited to share with you some surprising health benefits of a common household item, baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate. While many of us think of baking soda as just an ingredient for baking, it can actually do wonders for your health in a natural and non-invasive way. If you're struggling with heartburn, baking soda can be incredibly effective. It neutralizes stomach acid, making it a great remedy for acid reflux, especially after overeating, stress, or consuming greasy or spicy foods. Simply dissolve 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it to alleviate those uncomfortable symptoms. Baking soda also makes an excellent mouthwash. Its antibacterial and antimicrobial properties help to freshen your breath. Just mix 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in 1/2 glass of warm water, swish it around in your mouth, and gargle. You'll notice a significant difference. If you sweat a lot and notice an unpleasant odor, baking soda can help. The odor is caused by bacteria from acidic waste products. Patting a little baking soda under your armpits can make a major difference, keeping you fresh throughout the day. Baking soda can soothe itchy skin and relieve sunburns. To make a soothing bath, add 1 to 2 cups of baking soda to a lukewarm bath and soak for 10 to 15 minutes. This simple remedy can provide much-needed relief. Many of us develop calluses on our feet due to poor footwear, friction, and pressure. Soaking your feet in a mixture of baking soda and water can soften those calluses, making them easier to remove and alleviating discomfort. Brushing your teeth with a mix of baking soda and water can help remove stubborn stains. It's a natural and effective way to keep your smile bright. Baking soda is also great for treating acne and pimples. When diluted with water, it can be safely used on your face. Its antibacterial properties help dry out pimples and prevent further breakouts. If you suffer from canker sores, baking soda can help. Create a paste by mixing baking soda with a few drops of water until it reaches a thick consistency. Apply this paste to your canker sores to relieve pain and speed up healing due to its alkalinity and antibacterial properties. Baking soda can also aid in detoxifying your kidneys and preventing the spread of infections in the urinary tract. Dissolve 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of baking soda in water and drink it on an empty stomach daily to help combat UTIs and protect your kidney health. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please share this video with your friends and family, and leave your comments below. Your health is important, and there are so many simple, natural remedies you can use to take care of yourself and your loved ones. Stay healthy and see you next time on Life Well Live.